So I still have to do this, but today, what have I done so far? I fixed a dripping sink, saved you over $125. I fixed a 4-hour timer over there, saved you probably another $125 on a 4-hour timer for an air conditioner. What else did I do? I fixed a sagging door, probably saved you another $100, at least $100 there. Showed you how to fix 2 towel bars with 2 35-cent items. Had you not had those, you might have had to replace these for another $60, $70 and some grief on cutting and fixing them and lining them up exactly where these were, or maybe your other trim is not the same as this, or the style's not the same, you're not too happy, and now you're like, oh brother, now it doesn't match the same thing that my toilet has and my toilet paper or whatever. So I fixed and showed you how to do that too. Man, I'm showing you all kinds of things. You just keep watching my channel. Boy, with just those 4 things that I've showed you so far on how to fix, I've been here maybe, oh, I don't know, 2.5 hours, and I saved you at least, I'm going to guess, maybe close to $400. So in my 2 hours, 2.5 hours, what, I might have made $200 an hour? Pretty close. So save that money. You can start saving that money too, and start buying a few more tools that you might need for different projects. Keep watching my YouTube channel and I'll help you save even more.